Show me what everything is.
James is looking good in his way.
Well, he needs to move around the track, doesn't he?
Yeah, but now these two are looking at him. Now he can't go. Mom, I think they're going here.
Okay.
I mean, you the catnip. I think these don't look right, Mom.
It's all connected, though. That looks cool, huh? You like your new track?
These good and best TDs.
Oh, no. Show me who everybody is. Who do you have your hand? Who's that right there? Who's that? Oh, no. Rosie. Oh, that's James, huh? So where do they sleep at night?
I'm in the shed.
Show Mommy.
See, watch them.
Okay.
Watch James.
How do they go in the shed?
Watch James. Watch James. Watch him. Watch.
Okay, so you turn the rail. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you open the...
Door.
Okay.
And make them.
And then they just back in?
Yeah. And this see. And I say, Mom, I can't do James.
What's the rule about saying I can't?
I can't do it.
So just straighten out James.
Yeah.
There you go.
Now I need some.
Back up the tender.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. See, you did it.
See, I told you.
You can do. I told you you could do it.
No, but now these engines need to uncook. Now
They need to unhook.
Yeah.
That's a big train.
These ones?
No, Diesel's in the middle of it, though.
Yeah.
So you like this take and play sets?
Yeah.
So what you want for Christmas?
Yeah.
Some more take and play stuff?
These? Hey, wait, Mom. I got an idea.
What's your idea?
I think these two have squares, like Toby.
You're right.
And I need these two canoes. Mom, you cook Rosie, and you cook Gordon. I need you to cook Rosie and Gordon.
Oh, okay. I can do that. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye, Grandma.